Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. We're on a walk about Oldham Town Centre today in various locations, so you see a mishmash of clips from various town centres, and we are collaborating with Sarah UK Graveyards. This is Ritaro Street in Oldham, which goes from what used to be Wackler's Street up there, which later became St Mary's Way from the bypass was constructed. And Ritaro Street, it comes possibly from the word Ritaro Spring Gardens in 1818, and it possibly would have been the site of the old markets if Tommy Field weren't built. So that's where Ritaro comes from. Just walking down Waterloo Road now, and we just noticed this of Classic Council. Put two posts in front of another two posts. Classic Oldham, that is. We're on Walter Street here, and we just noticed these just up here. These are the old telecom for the post office, I think, for post office telecommunications. What we just found on Walter Street, guys, the old sign above this shop, that's on Walter Street, and then that's the more pathetic modern day one. We found more of these on this side on, what is this, Wellington? Southgate Street. So these are on Southgate Street, and we've got Darwin, Newton, I think, or Muton, Ninja Turtles, no, not that one, Bacon, I love a bacon button, no I don't, Crumpton, Stephenson, Michelangelo, Rubens, Watt, and the best of all, Shakespeare. We are on Hyde Street now, just off Waterloo Road, and we found some of the old Cobblestones on this corner here. Right, we're just coming off Wasco Street now to finding this lovely building, and look at, just before I've just got sidetracked, look at all these old bricks just here and the typical rubbish you find in Oldham. So look at all this is old mills, and I don't know what these bricks are from, but yeah, but back onto what we wanted to look at is this building here. Just come to this building. If you know what this building is, let us know, because I don't know what this use was, but if you just look on here, let's say you're nice and close, so that looks like old shop of some kind. You could got washers, something, shammers, something, and then you're on this building here, you got this old painted sign which reads Marshalls Oldham Limited, something that, and then we got George Summer Limited, Enquiries. Yeah, so if you know what this building is, let us know, because I've never seen this building before. Yeah, some more on this side. It must be something to do with George Summers, because it's got everything on there and all the old painting marks. Just noticed this really old grid here. Harwood Brothers Makers, Union Street, Brewer, London. It looks like it had glass in it at one point. I can't tell what that is behind there. That's probably the same London. It's outside the former theatre thing on Union Street. Hello ladies and gents, when I get home I'll put in who this is, but School Street here is named after one of the first licensees who built and owned a pub here. And I'll get that in when I get back, just can't remember off the top of my head. Right, we're halfway up Yorkshire Street now, and we're coming up to what looks like it used to be Jack's Smokehouse, and it used to be the Grapes Hotel as well. As you can see, the logo's been blacked out up there and removed. We're now up near St Mary's Way again, and we're coming to this place which is like a barber's and beauty shop, but this used to be a charity shop at some point. Called Dr. Kershaw's. Look at these, what I found above the Town Hall Tavern. 2 figures. And then we're coming up to another old pub, There and Hounds. Then the Town Hall. We're coming up to what used to be Ladbrokes. You can just see just underneath the wooden plaque, just up there.
Well, I'm not saying that we received the story off the
Yeah. Look, so we've got a lot of the interior inside. Just come across these old stones here. I think these are graze markers outside the St Mary's Church. Over there was the sports stadium and the swimming baths, and that used to be the sandstone quarry back in the day, and hence why that's why Rock Street's got its name, because of the sandstone quarries. And there was pubs along here as well. Right, I've just had a look, go through to walking around town. As you know, we're doing this collaboration with Sarah. The other part will be on Sarah's UK Gravy House channel. But look at this, Oldham Metropolitan Borough side, Tommyfield Market area. Look at that, I don't know when this day's back. And Oldham together. Talk about mate doing men, guys. Oh, let's salutape the burger lamb together. We just found on the Vaden favourite bus station. Hello ladies, we're right at the old alignment of where Water Street used to be, and this dates back to the Roman times. And it used to be the main road from Oldham to Manchester, hence why it's probably called Manchester Street now. And we're just coming here, and this is Manchester Chambers now, probably for that reason, and this is it. Yeah, so the arcade was opened in 1989 and follows the line of Water Street, part of the ancient route through Oldham from Manchester to Yorkshire. This route is believed to have existed from pre-Roman times, and it's only in use only season in the late 18th century when Manchester Street was constructed. So this is Diana's Prince of Wales Memorial Garden, dedication to the people of Oldham, at the back of a cop shop. And rumours are having it, this cop shop is due to be knocked down and moved somewhere, but I'm not too focused on that idea. But yeah, this is the old police station. Yeah, so this is Diana's Prince of Wales Memorial Garden. Just like this on back in here, the old Debenhams logo for the plant room at the Debenhams store. You want to see more about what this Debenhams was, it might be over on Sarah's channel. So this is Jackson's pit, which dates back quite a long to ancient times in this pit. And the name comes from an ancient family name in Oldham called Jacksons. And a certain Jackson, I'll put the name up on the thing, I've got it written down at home, lived close by at Schoolcroft. And this is named after the ancient family name of Jackson. Right, just look at this here. This is on Jackson's pit. We got the old Chimney Trap, whatever that is, on there. The old Whittles there. And that is the back of what used to be the shoe market. And that's the King's Hall as it's known now. And there's the old Whittles sign, and there's the Shumao's sign. And then obviously that's where you got King Street. Look at oh, what's that planning notice there? I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, this was on 22nd of the 9th, 2020. But look at the state of it in there, guys. Bloody awful. Walking near the Union, and look, it's still got its Christmas decorations up.